All right, good morning, team. Good morning, everybody. I just want to put this short video together to go over how you come up with your trading plan, how to do your trading plan. Now, you need this long-term trading plan, short-term trading plan, and I would say for right now, you do a weekly trading plan. So let's go over this real quick. I'm going to be sharing my screen. Let's see. I'm going to share my phone screen and we'll go into the outline that I have that you can use for doing your trading plan. So I came up with this, my Forex trading plan. So I want you to, these are just like headings that you can fill into while you're creating your trading plan. The very first one is mindset training. I know for right now, you've heard about, the fact that 90% of trading is mindset. Mindset training is 90% of your Forex trading experience, and 10% of it is trading. When your mind is in the right place, when you have your mindset and you separate your emotion from the trading, you are able to be more focused and be able to be more productive in the market. So I would say for the week, set out which daily motivational audio you'll be listening to, and which books are you reading. Good example is the book of the month. And this week we're going to start the book of the month. The topic for this week is Success is Not an Accident. Success is Not an Accident by Tommy Newberry. In the team, there's a PDF version that's already shared with us. If you don't have that, talk to me again. I'll send it to you. Or you can just scroll up. You're going to see it. Bolu shared that with us earlier last week. And you can get a physical copy on Amazon as well. So you can do that before Thursday. Thursday is the book of the month, and it's usually at 9 p.m. I think 10 p.m. Eastern time. So read books and attend daily motivational Zoom calls. We have those usually at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So put that on your calendar to attend the daily motivational Zoom calls. If you're ready to build your business, that call is meant for you. Always plug in. And the next step is now about your trading, the 10%, of the whole trading plan, which is your trading style. What strategy are you using? Are you using Skittles? Are you using Vibrator? Are you using DeLorean? Or do you want to go, binary options? Or do you want to go, on cryptocurrencies? What strategy are you using for your trading? So once you've picked a strategy that you want to, maybe you've mastered a strategy and you want to continue, in your life account, continue to use that strategy, that's your life account trading plan. Now, if you have a new strategy that you want to start learning, then you have your demo account trading plan. Like this week, this is the new strategy I want to learn. And in my demo account, I'm going to learn this. I'm going to exercise this strategy. I'm going to enter the trades, and this is how I'm going to do it. So, and then once you've picked your strategy for your life account, you pick your strategy, you follow that strategy in your life account. And then you pick the Go Live educators you're going to follow for the week. Check their schedule, put them in your calendar, and follow their sessions. And possibly before you get on their session newly, look at older sessions that they've been, so you understand their style of training, so you're not lost when you get on those trading sessions. So that is your trading style. Get your strategy and schedule Go Live sessions with the educators. Next comes with which session are you going to be trading in, which ties into when in the day are you going to be trading. Now, these times are Eastern Standard Time. We have the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session and the New York session. The one that I know that most people declare as being volatile, the most volatile, of these sessions are the overlap between London and New York session. So we're talking around 8 a.m. to 12 noon. So between those sessions, is that, Eastern Standard Time now, is that the session you want to take to do your trading, or you want to start earlier, or, it's advisable. You can either start earlier or trade within those sessions. So now you then look at pairs that usually fall into those sessions. And some of those pairs are GBP USD, all the GBP pairs, Canada USD, Euro USD, those pairs usually are very, very volatile, those sessions. USD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CHF, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, AUD JPY, Euro GBP, Euro CHF. Those are pairs you can trade within this London, New York session. So note those pairs and watch them, master them, and understand how they move, how volatile they move, how volatile they could be, and what triggers the volatility. Are there news and all of that? And part of this is, I will say, you check for news. I'm going to update this list soon. You check for news of the day, news for the week. Where do we have news coming up in the week? And then note those pairs or those currency that are affected by those news, and make sure that when you're trading, you are sure you're most likely trading after those news events have already taken place, so you understand if it's going to make the trade volatile or not. And then that ties into what pairs you're going to master. So you continue to follow those pairs and continue to ensure that you understand how well they go. And then your compound plan. How do you want to grow your account? How many pips per trade are you targeting? Right? And then how many trades per day do you want to target? And when you have your trades per day, how many trades do you want to have open at a time within your account, right? And then how much profit, what percentage profit do you want per day? And of course, you want to go into how much percentage of your account balance, account equity you want to risk per trade. How much of your account what percentage of your account do you want to risk per day? It's advisable to not risk more than 5% of your account. And then that ties into your stop losses. So that goes into your money management and all of that. So, and then you go into how do you master trail stops? Managing trail stops into profit. How do you set your stop loss? How do you set your take profit? How do you ensure that a winning trade does not turn to a losing trade, the losing one at the end of the day? And then you stay disciplined to this plan. Follow the plan, no matter what the noise is in the community, no matter what new things they're talking about in the community. This is your plan. Follow the plan and do not over leverage. Now, there's binary news everywhere. People are, it's something new that people are discovering. You want to get into it, don't deviate from your plan. You don't want to try new things on your live account. If you want to try binary, draw up a plan for binary option trading. The same way, how does it go? And then once you draw up a plan, that goes for your demo account, at least for that week, before you transition to live account, right? And if you want to do the Bitcoin as well, or any of the cryptocurrencies, you'll go into your demo account and draw up a plan for that as well, and do not deviate. And always note, the account you're trading in, the demo account, and always be disciplined. You ensure you don't overlap when you're trading, multiple accounts together, like especially demo and live. So that is a short informational video that I want to do, so that we can put a trading plan together and be able, right, to set ourselves up for success in the week. So this is what I need from everybody. I want you to write your trading plan for the coming week. Put pen to paper and write your trading plan for the coming week and send it in the group. Write up your trading plan for the coming week and post it in the group. Latest tomorrow by noon, latest, because the market opens tomorrow and you want to start trading, right? If that is part of your plan. Do you want to start trading on Sunday? Usually we've heard from educators, most of them don't start trading on Sunday, right? They don't start until Tuesday, right? So do you want to try that on your demo account or something? So I want you to put up a trading plan for demo account, for life account, and post whichever one you want to post in the group chat. Today, latest tomorrow noon. I want us all to hold ourselves accountable. Let's hold ourselves accountable. Let's work this together. And of course, I'm not saying don't rely on me alone. Get plugged into the larger community, the Retired in 365 community. Watch what training is going on. Watch what presentations are going on. If you miss anything, of course, you can ask in the group, and whoever has the information will post it. If I have anything, you see, I usually post them, right? But do not feel overwhelmed and just throw your hands up and throw in the towel. No, you're in this. You're learning. You're learning a new skill. A child does not start walking after, bumping their bum on the floor for a few times and just give up and say, I'm not going to work ever again. No, you're investing in yourself. You're investing time, you're investing money, you're investing energy, you're investing the learning opportunity in yourself. And this is a skill that will remain with you forever. So I don't want you to give up on yourself, basically, right? And plug in. Do whatever our leaders are saying to do. Use your social media. Be present. We are in network marketing, brethren. We're in network marketing. Network. I'm talking to myself in that area too. Network. Get out there. Speak to the people. Speak to your potential prospects, right? And definitely, we are in this to make it, to prosper in it. So I so much appreciate every one of you. I love every one of you. And I look forward to us growing this team and going bigger and bigger and going farther and farther, right? And accomplishing our goals. We have goals that we've set. Those goals are bigger than us. And I do not want you to give up on them. Let's move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go on this. And I am so expectant that all of us, we will give all it takes to grow our businesses. We will give all it takes to learn the skill and begin building a future, a notable and glorious future for our children. I love you all. I'll talk to you soon, and let me know if you have any question. You can post your question. You can post any comments that you have. And one more time, we are trying. We are learning from the larger community, the Retired in 365 community. And when you see us taking steps in what we've learned, like Ibrahim just posted on social media, and I told everybody, go out there, like it, share it, right? That's how we support one another. So let's do that. If you see me post anything, go out there, read it, share it, comment on it. So let's build this together, and I pray that the Almighty God will continue to strengthen us. We are here on the principle that the Lord God Almighty is with us. We have this foundation in this, and we will not lose. God will continue to prosper our ways, and I'll speak with you soon. God bless you. I love you. Bye.